DGP is directed to file an affidavit as to what steps are being taken and what steps have been taken, how the sand mining has increased in some areas despite there was a 24 hours vigilance ordered, and if anybody is responsible or any lapse has occurred by any person, so all those have to be stated by an affidavit. Some sporadic incidents do occur, there's no doubt about it. 5 or 6 are reported and action is being taken. So therefore the court is inclined to stop it to the extent of 100%.
NIO सर्वे रिपोर्टाच्या आधाराचेर शापोरा न्हंयत कायदेशीर रेंव काडून EC दिल्ली, मात एनजीटीन स्टे केली म्हूण सरकारान हायकोर्टाक सांगला.
In fact, in respect of one stretch of river, there is already an EC that is obtained. But the very same people who are now saying that there is illegal sand mining going on, those people have gone to NGT and they are challenging those ECs also. And there is some interim order also that is made there. As a result of which that legal sand mining also doesn't happen.
हायकोर्टान केस 18 एप्रिलाक दवरल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.